Hello students, open NCERT textbook page number 216. So there are some intextual questions are there. First one, judge the equivalent resistance when following are connected in parallel. So in this question they are asking, these are the resistors 1 ohm 10 to the power 6 ohms. Option B 1 ohm 10 to the power of 6 ohm and 10 to the power of 6 ohms. So these are conducted in parallel combination. We have to find the equivalent resistance. This is the circuit symbol of parallel combination. So I am asking one question. In this circuit, R1, R2, R3, these three are resistors. We have to find out each resistor current. At junction X, so total current I can be divided into each resistance passes the current I1, I2, I3. I3. So what about the potential difference? Voltmeter can be used to measure the potential difference. The voltmeter is connected parallel to the parallel combination. So at any point of the junctions X and Y, potential difference is same in the parallel combination. So current can be divided I1, I2, I3, but potential difference is same in parallel combination. So I am going to find for A, given that two resistors, first one is 1 ohm, second one is 10 to the power of 6 ohm. We have to find out equivalent resistance in case of parallel combination. First of all, formula for parallel combination, 1 by R equivalent resistance is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is 1 by R equivalent resistance, but in question they are asking the total equivalent resistance. So total equivalent resistance Req equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus RQ. So R1 value is 1 ohm, R2 value is 10 to the power of 6, R1 plus R2 1 plus 10 to the power of 6. On numerator 1 into 10 to the power of 6, 1 into 10 to the power of 6. On denominator 1 plus 10 to the power of 6, its value is 1 lakh 1. So total value is 0.999 ohms. Similarly, we have to find out B. There are given the 3 ohms. We have to find out equivalent resistance in case of parallel combination. R1 value is 1 ohm, R2 value is 10 to the power of 3 ohm, R3 value is 10 to the power of 6 ohm. We have to find out equivalent resistance. Given that question B, R1 equal to 1 ohm, R2 equal to 10 to the power of 6 ohm, 10 to the power of 3 ohm, R3 equal to 10 to the power of 6 ohm. In this question, 3 resistors are given, so we have to take in R1, R2, R3. Formula is 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. I want to R equivalent value, R equivalent equal to R1, R2, R3 by R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1. Substitute the values of R1, R2, R3, we get 1 into 10 into 1 into 10 into 1 into 10 to the power of 6, 1 into 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 6 by 1 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 6 plus 10 to the power of 6 into 1. On numerator, total value is 10 to the power of 9. On denominator, 10 to the power of 3 plus 10 to the power of 9 plus 10 to the power of 6. So total value 0.9990 ohm. Next question. What are the advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel with the battery instead of connecting in series. So in that question they are asking the which combination has more advantages. So answer, when the electrical devices are connected in parallel. Parallel, we know that current is flowing in the circuit is divided into I1, I2, I3, but potential difference is same. So that is the advantages when the devices are connected in parallel. Parallel, there is no division of the voltage among the appliances. Between the appliances, voltage cannot be divided. The potential difference across the devices is equally to supply the voltage. So each appliance has equal amount of potential difference is applied. Also reduce the effective resistance of the circuit. So total equivalent resistance will be decreases in case of parallel combination. Next question, how can three resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to a given total resistance of 4 ohms, 10 ohms? There are given the three resistors 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm. When there are connected these three resistors, total equivalent resistance will be 4 ohms and 10 ohms. How these are values possible? Total equivalent resistance 4 ohms and 10 ohms. How possible? This is the circuit diagram. I am taking the three resistors 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm. I am taking the 6 ohm, 3 ohm are connected in parallel combination and 2 ohms is connected series to the parallel combination. So from the above circuit, it is understand about that 3 ohms, 6 ohms are connected in parallel. Hence the total equivalent resistance is formula 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. I am going to find only for this parallel combination total equivalent resistance. Substituting that values, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 equal to R equivalent resistance. This is the 1 by R eq value. I am going to find the R eq. It will be reciprocal R into 3 by 6 plus 3. 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3. Total value is 2 ohm. For this parallel combination, total equivalent resistance is 2 ohms. Now we have to find out series combination. Question number B. Now we have to find out series combination value. The equivalent resistance 2 ohms is in series with the 2 ohms resistor. Now equivalent resistance can be calculated. It is in the series combination. So equivalent resistance, its formula is R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2, 2 ohms. This is the total equivalent resistance in case of parallel combination. This is connected series to the 2 ohms resistor, 2 ohms plus 2 ohms, 4 ohms. Now question number B. So 6 ohms, 2 ohms, 3 ohms, these three resistors are connected in parallel combination. We have to find out total equivalent resistance. So total equivalent resistance, its formula R1 R2 R3 by R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. Substitute R1 R2 value, R1 6 ohms, R2 2 ohms, R3 3 ohms. So 6 into 2 into 3 by 6 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 6. Total equivalent resistance value 1 ohm. So in this question we have to draw the circuit diagram compulsory. Next question, what is first one the highest, B the lowest resistance that can be secured by the combinations of 4 coils of resistors 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, 24 ohm. So in that question they are asking highest value of the total equivalent resistance, lowest value of the total equivalent resistance. Highest value can be obtained from the series combination, lowest equivalent resistance value obtained from the parallel combination. So first of all, answer for A. If the four resistors are connected in series, the total equivalent resistance will be sum of the individual resistors. So R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. So first resistor value 4, second resistor value 8, third resistor value 12, fourth resistor value 24. So total 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24, 48 ohms is the total equivalent resistance in case of series combination. So question number B, if the resistors are connected in parallel, then their equivalent resistance will be automatically lowest value. So 4 resistors, 1 by R equivalent resistance. In case of parallel combination, 1 by R equivalent resistance equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. R1, R2, R3, R4 by R1, R2, R3 plus R2, R3, R4 plus R3, R4, R1 plus R4, R1, R2. Substitute R1, R2, R3, R4 values in the above formula. We will get the 4 into 8 into 12 into 24. So on the numerator value 9216, on denominator value 4608. So total value is 2 ohms. That is the answer for the question. Thank you.